America runs on oil.
We can see oil in our everyday lives.
These thousands of oil blends are all packaged in the same plant using the same pipelines.
This means that in between packaging different oils, the lines must be cleared out using a process called flushing. To clean the pipeline, we first need to fill the feed tanks with oil.
Then we must make sure the oil can follow the correct path.
After turning on the pump, the oil passes through a filter to remove any impurities.
Now that the line is filled with oil, we must use the next product to push the residual product from the lines. This is known as flushing.
Before flushing, we need to clear out as much oil as possible by using compressed air.
Air blowing the pipeline is extremely effective, removing up to 70% of the initial oil.
Now that the system is cleared, let's flush the line. To determine the purity of the flush, we use an inline viscometer that records oil viscosity.
Samples are also collected to verify the purity of the oil given by the inline viscometer.
Here we can see the transition of one oil type to the next throughout an entire flush.
After the flush is completed, the sample's purity is determined using viscosity testing.
To test a sample, first fill a capillary tube until the oil falls between the two lines. Then turn on the constant temperature bath and ensure the control panel is at the right settings. Then, place a stopper over one opening to allow for suction. Secondly, using a suction bulb, compress it tightly and place over an adjacent hole. Using the bulb, now draw up the oil till it is past the two lines. Then, quickly remove the bulb and stopper from the apparatus before the oil has passed the first line. And finally, time how long it takes for the oil to fall between the two lines with gravity draining. Using this time recorded and the falling film correlation, we can then calculate the viscosity for the oil sample. Once the sample passes, it can now be packaged. Yay!
Our work is to improve this flushing process by using our newly developed pilot plant.
Our research is revolutionizing the manufacturing industry, and its applications can be seen everywhere.
So join us as we make the world a better, more sustainable place to live, one drop of oil at a time.